First, I am saddened by the zero budget given to PhilHealth. Dapat po ang pondo ng PhilHealth ay para sa health. Kaya nga po, PhilHealth. Lessons learned, dapat tayo sa pandemya, we should invest more in health. Katumbas po yan ng buhay ng bawat Pilipino. Kaya dapat bigyan po natin ng priority ang health. While we acknowledge that PhilHealth has still billions in reserve funds, sabi nila 500 billion as discovered and discussed in 5 hearings conducted by the Committee on Health. Subsidy from the national government may still be needed to implement necessary reforms and improvements in its benefit packages. Huwag naman zero budget. Sa huli, ang mga mahihirap na pasyente na naman ang kawawa dyan. We kept on urging PhilHealth to expand its benefit packages, especially for top 10 mortality diseases. Increase case rates, scrap its restrictive policies like the 24-hour confinement policy, cover additional services like dental. Tinupad na nila yung dental recently, optometric services and assistive device. Paano po magbe-benefit ang mga pasyente kung